In this video, I'll show you how to save messages on Telegram. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Telegram. If for any reasons you love to save messages that you love to come back to Telegram, and let me say like and receive, what you need to do, you can see the search button up here. So go on to there and type in saved messages. So this is going to come out. So whatever you want to save here on Telegram, if you want to save your messages, you can come on here and save it, right? So you can see this is, I think this is probably your storage. So I can just come on, I can type in, let me say, thank God. Thank God. Okay, I'll just type in thank God. So I'm going to put this. So yeah, this message has been saved here on my Telegram. So if you want to get any message or if you want to send any message to this place, you're going to be able to save it here on your Telegram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.